Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. Yeah man, today what we'll be doing, some spaghetti bolognese for you guys, yeah. The kids them request this one. It is a kind of comfort food, you know, I love it as well. But I'll be doing this spaghetti bolognese Chef Garnet style, Caribbean style. For all the Italians them, please don't have a go at me because I know no guys can make spaghetti bolognese better than you guys, but this is Chef Garnet ways and Chef Garnet style, yeah, the Caribbean way of spaghetti bolognese. And I'm telling you guys, I've made this spaghetti bolognese several times, and my kids and other people can vouch for me. This spaghetti bolognese is off the chain. I'm telling you, it's a kind of comfort food I love. Yeah, so today I've got some. Before we show you the ingredients, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, people. Yeah, give me a thumbs up before you watch the video, and share the video and subscribe also. Yeah, and also please communicate with me in the comment section. Tell us what you like and what you don't like, and you know, I don't take anything personal. I'm more than happy to take the criticism and the constructive criticism also. Yeah, so share the video, like the video. So before I get into the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients here on the screen. Everything will be posted here. So get your notepad, take notes, and take down the ingredients. I'll be showing you the ingredients when I come back. Until next time, cook and inspire. So this is the ingredients, this guy that we want to use. The main ingredients, we got some minced beef. You can go vegetarian by using other things, yeah. Over here we got our season, we got our mixed herb, our oregano, all the ingredients. We got our spaghetti bolognese sauce, you know, I'll just pick it up from the shop. I've got some garden peas, I've got some chopped tomato, I've got some mixed vegetable over here, and of course the spaghetti bolognese seasoning, which I bought from the shop also. We got our pimento seeds. Over here we got our onions and garlic and pepper. I'll be using some all-purpose season just to season the beef. Yeah, I like to season my beef before I started to cook it. So I know the spaghetti bolognese fan and the real cookers of spaghetti bolognese, many people use alcohol like wine to cook it. I don't, that's not my preference. Yeah, so this is the ingredients. So this is it, guys. Just combine everything together, all the seasoning, all that goodness. And what I'll be doing, I'll be just leaving this for around 10 minutes. Then I come back and show you the next stage. Yeah, so this is the beef, as you can see, guys, the mince. The thing is, when cooking spaghetti bolognese, I don't know, some people do it different. When it just started out, the beef will spring a lot of water. Yeah. The way I time it, I judge it. When the water dissolve and left with a bit of oil, then I know that the beef is the mince is cooked. So we still got a little bit of water in there. So I'm just gonna let it fry up a little bit. Then I started adding my ingredients layer by layer, because you can't add everything in there at the same time. You know, you have to do it layer by layer. That's the way I do it. So as you can see, it's becoming brown, and sooner or later it will becoming more like this. Yes, guys. So this is my just washing out the can from the tomato, and this is my little garden peas. I love my little garden peas in there. As you can see, just combine everything. As I says, this is Chef Garnet style. You're gonna see the result when I'm done, guys. It's absolutely amazing. You know, loads of vegetables in there. So I'm gonna leave this to cook for another 5 minutes, and then I'll be adding the bolognese sauce in there. And this sauce is amazing, guys. You know, it's packed with onions and garlic and all the little herbs and spices in there. Yeah. So I'll leave that to cook for around 5 minutes, then I come back and show you. Yes, guys, so this is my spaghetti. My bolognese is coming along really good. I love it. You see the texture of that? Never mind them little vegetable, I like my little vegetable. So I'm gonna add in the sauce in there now. You know, just give it a good shake. And this is gonna work the magic. See? I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in there and rinse it. Make sure you don't waste anything. Yeah? Make sure you don't waste anything. You see, you don't want your spaghetti to be dry, because when you put your pasta in there, you need it to be really moist. You see that? Let's combine everything together, and I'm going to show you a little trick when I'm doing it also. Yeah, you see the texture of that, guys? And this is a nice big portion you have here. You can also put some in the fridge. You can have it a couple days. You know, you see that? So nice and rich that is. Goes well with your pasta. When I boil my pasta and put it together, you will see. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna show you a little magic that I'm gonna do now. When I do it, I always do that, yeah? I always put a little bit of cheese in there to cook. Just sprinkle a little bit of cheese. If you don't eat cheese, then this is optional. But I love it with a bit of cheese in there. It makes it a bit more creamier and give it a nice, smooth texture. Look at that. Look at that. When the cheese melts in there. Wow. See that? You see that? When that cheese melts? So I'm going to leave this to finish up for the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you the finished result with my pasta or my spaghetti, whichever one you want to have it with. It's your option, yeah? But look at that. Take a second look. See that? Look at that. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, so I think this is the grand finale. Yeah, man. Pasta sauce, pasta already. Spaghetti bolognese ready. You see that? Nice and juicy, guys. So what I'll be doing, I'll be putting this aside and then let it rest for around a couple of minutes and then plate up and let you guys see when the missus digging into this. Yeah, well, let's give it a little taste. The chef taste. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Yes, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Real spaghetti bolognese, you know, comfort food, especially if the weather is a bit cold right now. So stay tuned, guys. I'll come back and show you when I plate up and be digging in. Okay? Yes, guys, so this is it. Our spaghetti bolognese. Cook and inspire style, Caribbean style. You know, this is it. Look at it, guys. How delicious that look. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so you'll be notified. So this is the moment of truth. So my wife is gonna taste, and I'm gonna have her opinion. Here you go, babes.
Thank you.
Tell me what you think. It's not the first you're eating it, but dig in. Let me see.
This is very lovely. Thank you.
It's very lovely. So what are you having that with now?
It's my wine.
Oh, the lovely, the sounds are dry.
It's lovely. Where's my wine?
Don't worry. Eat up.
Oh,
So how would you rate this? So what do you
out of
rate?
10? Out of 10? 11.
Oh, but that's it again. Yes, so this is it, guys. My wife has tasted it and she said she give it 11 out of 10. I don't know if she wrote that one out. But anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like, comment, and share. And I hope you find this very interesting. And you will try this recipe. Comment and let me know, please, what you think about my version of spaghetti bolognese. Very delicious. Until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. What we say?
In and out the kitchen. Did you tell them that I helped?
It's all right.